what's up guys? It's Boss Bassoon here again, and today, boss class, guys. There's master's class, where they teach like everything, and then there's boss class. I want to be different from the other kids at school. I left the clarinet, which is what a lot of people do, and you hop into this bad boy, the bassoon, guys. Alright guys, so we are closing in. We're like 3/4 of the way through freshman year of high school, guys. It's going way too fast. Why too fast? No. One thing I did not do was audition for band when I was in 8th grade. Bassoon is obviously not a jazz instrument, although my bassoon teacher makes it sound like a jazz instrument. Here, I'll pop up a clip, he's pretty cool. So, we're auditioning for band this year. The song I just played was the audition piece. But the main reason, like one of the main reasons I want to do band is Disneyland, guys. Disneyland! Whoa, we're going to Disneyland! I think you have to get into like Wind 2. So it goes concert band, Symph 2, Symph 1, Symph Wind, and then Wind 2, Wind 1. Oh gosh.